Welcome to NPTI. My name is Chris Williams. I'm the Director of Education. Today we'll be looking at appropriate exercises to train the posterior oblique subsystem. The posterior oblique subsystem comprises the gluteus maximus, the latissimus dorsi on opposite sides of the body, and the thoracolumbar fascia. So our selection of exercises will be where you're working the latissimus dorsi on the right side in conjunction with, for example, the gluteus maximus on your left side and vice versa. These exercises we have chosen are adaptable for pretty much any population, so the one that you do, make sure that you have the necessary balance and attributes in terms of the intrinsic core muscle strength to be able to do it. So the first one that we're going to do is a version of a quadruped. So if I can get my client over here in the quadruped position. And by quadruped, we mean that we're going to have both knees directly under the hip, both hands directly under the shoulder. And what's going to happen is Brandon's going to be doing a row with the right arm to recruit the latissimus dorsi, then coming over to the left side and doing a straight leg hip extension, with the left leg. So just go back a little bit further for me if you can on your knees so you get a little bit more tension there. And when you're ready, hold your arm out straight to start with, because remember you're going to be contracting this muscle and this muscle, opposite sides of the body. We call it contralateral at the same time. So as you're going to be pulling down from there, you're going to be lifting your left leg. When you're ready, and let's perform. So, gluteus maximus this side is contracting, coupled with the latissimus dorsi on that side. Why are these exercises so very, very important? Well, we now know that the posterior oblique subsystem, helps to stabilize the sacroiliac joint, also referred to as the SI joint, which is integral because if you have any imbalances there, you could go into anterior pelvic tilt or even posterior pelvic tilt. The consequences of an anterior pelvic tilt is excessive compressive forces of the lumbar spine, or essentially lower back pain. Thank you. Another variation, and obviously you would go to the next side. You wouldn't just do one side. The next variation that we have here is utilizing a physio ball, also known as a Swiss ball. So Mila will get in the necessary starting position. Make sure we retract and depress the shoulder blades. We tuck the chin. She's going to do a row with the right side and a straight leg hip extension with the left, ensuring that you keep the pelvis absolutely stable, okay, like so. And the breathing sequences on this: breathe out on the way up, breathe in on the way down. The tendency on this will be try and lift the leg too high. When that happens, it rotates the pelvis this way, so be mindful that we keep this absolutely straight. And likewise, you would go on to the next side to complete a designated number of repetitions. In addition, if we can just unlock your right leg slightly, that's it, so take pressure off the joint. Well done. The last exercise we have is a single leg squat to row. Mila, if I can borrow you again, down here please. And again, what's happening here is we're going to be doing a single leg squat on the left leg with a row on the right side. So as she comes up, she's going to be rowing and also contracting the muscles of the glutes and the quadriceps on the left side. Once again, we have the muscles on this side contracting with the muscles on this side contracting, which creates that contralateral plane that we're looking at here to stabilize the SI joint. And again, you would do it on both sides of the body. That's your personal trainer tip of the week. My name is Chris Williams. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for following NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Just want to let you know we appreciate you guys liking us, following us, and friending us. Continue to watch our YouTube channel. We're going to try to do a really good job of giving you as much information about the fitness industry as possible this year. If you're looking to become a personal trainer, you're excited about helping other people become healthy, give us a call, 407-772-0057. That's 407-772-0057. Give us a call, come on in, tour, work out for free anytime. Thanks again.